Hi everyone, my name is Toby. I'm a student from Austria and actually I just completed studying here in Bali at Udayana University, and I did a semester here about tropical coastal ecology and community-based management, organized by Upskill. It's a little bit sad that now it's almost everything over, but when I'm looking back I can just smile because I experienced so many beautiful things and I have a lot of memorable moments I keep in my mind for my whole life now. I'm studying actually biology back at home in Salzburg. So for me, all worked very easily because I had the advantage that this friend of mine did this program a couple of years ago already. So she told me a lot of information about the program. So I actually had just a look at the website and read through what kind of program Upskill can offer. And yeah, I just had a look what kind of lectures also are going to be taught here in Bali. And I found it really interesting because it's about marine biology and that's my big passion. And also for applying to this program, at first I was just sending an email, I think, to Laura, and she responded very quickly. That's really nice. And yeah, so I got everything together, my CV and an application, sent it to Upskill, and it was when I applied, but before I started thinking about booking flights and so on. Was for me very important to check with my university that the lectures will be credited. So things I will be learning here will get accepted in my university. I send a mail to one of my professors and also worked very easily. So my university was very supportive in this regard. Also, maybe what's important is to book your flight quite early in advance because then you can save a lot of money. So my last few months, I would say, have been very exciting and adventurous. We did a lot of excursions together and we saw a lot of beautiful landscape and interesting projects also about our subjects in the countryside as well. And a typical day for me, well, also during the time I've been here, we went diving, which was really amazing for me because, as you maybe know, Bali lies in the coral triangle and biodiversity is really high here. And well, a typical day for me, we went to school mostly at around 8 or 9 a.m. So we had lectures about seagrass, coral, mangroves, and also we had community management classes, and we also even learned a little bit speaking Bahasa. So the classes took mostly until the afternoon, and because I love the ocean, I often just went to the ocean, to the beach right after the class. I went surfing quite a lot and I really enjoyed that. So that was my daily. So for me, because I'm a biology student, learning about marine organisms was the best part. And also the students' project. So I had the opportunity to conduct a small research project, and this was really inspiring and helpful for me because maybe in my future I want to be a scientist, and so it's really important to learn how to conduct and write a research project. So I definitely would recommend this. And first of all, the team is really friendly, happy and nice, and that's also what I experienced here in Bali, that the people are very happy and helpful. Yeah. Also, if you want to learn things about biology, about the ocean, about coastal environments. And so there were also 2 other students who did actually study community development, and for them it was also very valuable. So we also learned things about tourism, ecotourism, and yes, so I can recommend it. And you just have to be open to, first of all, just travel somewhere by yourself. Might be sometimes intimidating, but I can just say, please just do it because you will learn so much. Bali in 3 words for me is probably adventurous, joyful, and spiritual.